it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So on today, I am so excited to be sharing this super duper shopping haul with you guys. Now, you know the foundation of my channel is finding the best for less, whether it is home decor, clothing, event planning, whatever it is. I'm going to always share with you guys the best deals for less. So first things first, I know you're probably wondering about the jewelry because it is a lot of jewelry. I got this set from City Trends. I don't know if you guys have one near you, but like all three of these pieces and the pearl earrings were $3.99. And so I love finding, this is like the layered necklaces are really trending right now, but to be able to get 4 pieces for basically $4, so it's like $1 a piece, but it really goes together well. I love the pearl on the bottom of this necklace along with the cross. The cross has a pearl in it as well, and then the little choker. So that's that. If you have a City Trends near you, Cato's, City Trends, Cato's, fashion something, if you guys know what store I'm talking about, make a comment down below. But those are some of the places that I like to buy costume jewelry. I love costume jewelry from dealers, but if they're not having a 40% off sale or 50% off the markdown, then it's not really, what I consider looks for less. Okay. All right. So we're going to get the look for less in terms of this. But listen, you guys, let me let you guys in on a secret. Now, I know like around the 1st of January, a lot of people do Ross hauls where they do like the 49-cent sales, and those things are fabulous. Don't get me wrong. You can definitely find some amazing deals. But let me tell you guys something. This is the real secret. I went to Ross the other day, and I know it's Motivational Monday, and I'm going to share some motivation with you guys as well. But I went to Ross, and sometimes when I'm feeling some kind of way, like I told you guys this before, I like to do retail therapy. I like to just walk around, not necessarily to buy anything. I have no intent on buying anything, actually. But I was walking through Ross, minding my little business, and I saw these on the rack. These are super cute. Okay, they're gachos. They're tweeted, black and white with gray stripes in them. Gachos. So when I looked at them, I knew these were high end. I could just look at the fabric. That's the thing about Lux for Less. If you know your stuff, you know your stuff. So just by me looking at the fabric, I knew they were going to be high end. I knew I liked them before I ever even looked at the tag. Let me show y'all. Ann Taylor. You see that? Ann Taylor. Yeah, size 6. I went up. And they were $10.99. This is a real deal because I am sure that at Ann Taylor, these pants were every bit of $100. And that's like 90% off the retail price. And that's a Lux for Less price. So I could not stop there, of course, after finding that amazing deal. So I kept looking, and I came across a sundress, a long sundress. Well, and this was in the dress section. So it's mixed in with the regular clothes. You just got to look. So this sundress, it's off the shoulder. The bottom is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know. I might try it on, y'all. I don't know. I'm kind of on, the Rona has gotten me in terms of the weight. If the Rona has gotten you guys and you gained a little weight, this little Rona weight, these Rona pounds, comment the Rona got me down below because it definitely got me. But I love this dress. It's actually an extra small. But White House Black Market runs a little bit larger sometimes. $10.99, y'all. And I know for a fact this dress was over $100. So this is like the real deal. Like, I love the bottom of this dress. This is the real deal. Like, these are the things that I'm talking about when I talk about living luxuriously for less. I also got these super cute, like, tropical pants. They're from White House Black Market. I don't try stuff on in the store. I always come home and try it on. But I love that tropical vibe with that mustard yellow. Yellow is the Pantone color this year. These were $9.99. And they were also from White House Black Market. Super, super, super comfortable. Super comfortable. Next up, I got these One Republic for All jeans. And when I felt these, I knew these were higher end jeans. I think they're from Banana Republic. Y'all let me know where these One Republic from all jeans are originated from. They were $14.99, but they were comfortable. Like at this stage, in this age, in my age in the game, like I'm all about comfort. I also picked up these white jeans, high waist. I'm all about a high waist, and I love the little ragged bottoms. I'm all about these little raggedy bottoms right now. And these were $9.99, and they were also Ann Taylor. Yeah, see that? These are the real deals, okay? These are the real deals that are going on right now at Ross. Now, if I really like something, I will buy it twice, or I'll buy it in several different colors. And that is the case with this camisole I'm about to show you guys. I really, really, really like this camisole a lot. And so I bought it in a few different colors. Let me see. There we go. I got it in this pretty lime green. I think this would be cute by itself in the summer, or, you know, with a pair of nice Bermuda shorts or something like that. I'm not really a big short wearer, but if I decided to put on a pair of shorts, it'd be cute. And it also looked cute under a suit. So I got it in this beautiful periwinkle and then this kiwi green. So I got all three of those. And oh, sorry, I didn't tell y'all how much they were. They were $7.99, and that's cheaper than the cheap stuff at Ross. And this is Ann Taylor as well. So I bought, you know, all of these name brands. Ross, you know, does really good with name brands and things like that. But I know a lot of people are really big on a 49-cent sale. It's cool, but it's hard to find things, especially this year, you know, with everything that was going on. It was really hard to find stuff in there. But this kind of stuff is the stuff you need to look out for, because it's quality, and you're really getting quality. You're really getting Lux for less. This is a cute shirt, off the shoulder, puff sleeves, kind of like the puff sleeves I have on right now. I got this, actually, my friend Tara told me about it at Von Mar when they had the 90% off sale. I got this for like $4 or $5. And the one shoulder dress I had on, I got it for like $14. It's really cute. So I got this. This is an Ann Taylor Loft shirt. And it was $7.99. So really cute, y'all. Really, really cute stuff, and stuff that I know that I can wear. You know, when you're more of a mature age, you know, you want to wear a little bit more mature things. So I like to be hip and fashionable, but still modest. Try to be as modest as possible. This is a Ann Taylor shirt, and it was also $7.99. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I actually bought it twice. So cute. Look at that. I love the ruffles on the sleeve. And this was from White House Black Market. Y'all look at that. Look at that. Do you see that price tag? Okay. I'm just asking y'all if y'all see it, because you know I see it. I see it. I got this cute cardigan, also from White House Black Market. It's in the nude, and nudes are so popular. Like, I am trying to get all the nudes and browns that I can get. It was $8.99. I don't know what the original price on this was, but if I had to guess, I would say about at least $39, $49, $59, $69, because that's how they do. That's how White House Black Market does. They don't play with us. Ann Taylor Loft again, and these jeans have like the fringe edges, and these were $9.99. So if you all are keeping up, you see that I spent a couple $100, but it was worth it. It was worth it. It was really worth it. I was on the phone with Catherine from Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I was on the phone with her when I was checking out. She'll tell you I didn't do too bad. I had a gift card. So after my gift card, it was $132. But I can't tell y'all how much my gift card was worth. I got this cute little jumpsuit. and it's black, but I love the fact that it ties right here. Yeah, it is so cute. And it was $12.99. It was by Grayson. Now I could not find this name brand, so you guys tell me if you've seen this name brand anywhere. I don't know if it was a Belk name brand or maybe a Neiman Marcus or something. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I don't know. It just felt really good, and it did not feel thin or anything. Not that it has to be name brand. I'm about quality, because it can be some expensive stuff that's really cheaply made, and it can be some inexpensive things that are well made. And then I picked up these cute Anna, and I know these are JCPenney brand, I think. These little tank tops for $3. And I picked it up in blush and the taupe, because I want to do a nude photo shoot. But it's not nude like that, y'all. Like nude as in color. Like this color. Don't you think that'll be pretty? I want to do like that color, this color. And just do it in like a photo shoot form. In a pair of jeans. That's it. Real simple. Different colors. You know, like that. If you guys haven't seen the purse giveaway over on At Home with Nikki's channel, she did a nude themed purse. And y'all, it is so cute. I love her purse organization videos. Like, I am addicted to her purse organization videos. So go check it out, because this nude theme, it would look really, really good with like the stuff she has in the purse. With the white would look good with all of this. Like, it matches that. So y'all need to go enter. And if y'all win, if you feel, you know, a little giving, send it to me, good girl. I'm just joking. But anyway, the most expensive thing I got were these Mile High Levi's. I did get these in an 8 because I wanted them to be comfortable, because they, whoo, okay. So they were $21.99. I like my jeans to be a little comfortable. And these are the Mile High, the super high-waisted jeans. And I've been looking for these for a minute. So I finally found those as well. While I was there, I also picked up these weird outfits. Like, they're 2 pieces. Just kind of lounge outfits I thought would be cute to wear around the house. Because I like to look cute. Even though I'm working from home, I like to look cute when the hubby's here. So, you know, you just want to look cute. How many of y'all like to look cute when your husband's home? I just like to look cute, honey. I don't want him to... I like to look cute at the house. So, yeah. So I got this one, and I got a tie-dye one. This one's still connected to the... And this was only $11.99 for both pieces. So I thought that was really good. This and the tie-dye one. Okay, you guys. So that concludes my Ross Dress for Less hauls. These are the real deals, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this inspired and motivated you to get up and get out and get yourself together, because I know that, you know, we have all had quite the year with the pandemic. And I think it's just so important for us not to lose ourselves in this, to still look our very best, to show up every day, even if we're showing up and nobody else sees us but ourselves, our children, our spouses, our families, and the Lord. I just still think it's very important for us to get up and to show up. So I hope this motivates you to get up and get inspired, get out and find some of these amazing deals. I pray that you can find them in your store. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on that big red subscribe button. If you're new here, welcome. We would love to have you to be a part of the Lux for Less family. And if you are an oldie but goodie, I love you guys, and I appreciate all of your continuous and unwavering support. I've been posting videos every single day for the month of March. So if you guys would like to see the other videos that I've been posting, I will leave a link down below to the playlist so that you guys can check out anything that you may have missed. Thank you so much again for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.